How to use stickers in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how I can add different stickers and comment to the streamers. First of all, open the application. Now as you can see, I'm in my home page. So this is the place where you can find different streamers that are available. Now simply tap on the one whom you want to add stickers or comment. So here I'm tapping on one. Now here on the bottom, you can see this chat box. Beside this chat box, you'll be able to see this emoji button. Simply select on this emoji button. Now here there are different emojis that you can select and send it to them. So here simply tap on the one, and as you can see, my comment has been done and the sticker has been posted. Now the streamer can easily see it and even react to it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.